So I'm going to click here on save. And now you can see that when I open a request, it's using the form instead of the standard panel, and I can use the email functions and I can use the chat functions to talk with my team internally, right? This doesn't go to the client, only the email part goes to the client. Okay, so I'm going to showcase an example of using the email function, right? So first of all, we have like a test Gmail account here. So we're going to use this to test it. So I'm going to add a new client here. And this client is going to be Jester client. I'm going to fill out any phone numbers here and email. So the email is going to be jestertest@gmail.com. It's the email that we're using for this test. And I'm not going to add title or notes. Okay, so now I have Jester as a client here, right? I have client here. I don't have a picture, but I have their first name, last name, phone, email, address, and so on. So let's imagine now that I'm the client, I'm Jester, and my email is jestertests@gmail.com, which is this email account, right? So now I'm going to create an email, and the subject is I need help with my invoices. Oh, sorry, it's down here. And I'm going to send some information here. So, hi, I didn't receive this month's invoice. Could you help me? And there you go. And they're going to send this to the email that you've created, right?